Hello, my name is Cameron Lee, and the title of my project is called Ice Melting Rates. The purpose of this project is to test what variable helps me melt quicker. The school that I attend to currently is Heritage Oak, and my teacher is Mr. Hubbard. Hypothesis: the ice with the salt on it will melt the fastest because salt can lower the freezing point of water and make the ice melt quicker. Materials: I used 4 identical bowls, 12 ice cubes, all the same size, 1/4 teaspoon for all these variables, salt, sugar, and sand. The timer I used, refrigerator, and 50 milliliter graduated cylinder. Procedures: Number 1, get the salt, sugar, and sand in the measuring teaspoon ready to use nearby. Number 2, move each bowl to an empty shelf in the refrigerator. Number 3, note the starting time in my lab notebook and check on the ice cubes every hour. When the ice cubes in one of the bowls have become at least half melted, take all 4 bowls out from the refrigerator. Number 4, carefully pour the liquid from one of the bowls into a cup with a spout. Then pour liquid into a measuring cup. Number 5, record how much liquid was in the bowl. After recording my results, clean out and dry the cup of the graduated cylinder. Number 6, now let all the ice cubes completely melt in their bowls. Number 7, calculate the total amount of water that was in each bowl. To do this, add the amount melted to the amount remaining for each bowl. Number 8, calculate the percentage of ice that was melted. Results, data, observations. For both trials, all the amount were still 60. The total amounts were 65 milliliters because I used the exact same ice cubes. Salt melted 35 milliliters. Amount remaining was 30 milliliters. Total amount was 65 milliliters and 54% melted. 31% melted for sugar. 15% melted for sand. 38% melted for nothing on trial 1. Trial 2, still the same with 65 milliliters. The results were similarly the same for the amount remaining and the amount melted. Some observations that I made. Salt had a rocky and bumpy texture when it started melting. The temperature of the refrigerator does not significantly change the amount of liquid melted in the ice. Sand stuck to the ice when I took the ice out to pour the liquid into the measuring cup. Conclusion: salt lowered the freezing point of water called the freezing point depression. Sugar also lowered the freezing point, but not as effectively as salt. Because sugar doesn't dissolve as quickly or disrupt the water molecules as much. Sand transferred heat from the surroundings of the ice, which can make it melt faster